copy the diagram into your book. Let's do that first. And I'm going to make it pretty big. It looks like this. And let's put the measurements in, do all the stuff. So we have copied the diagram in. I know this is a trapezium. There's a rule for trapeziums. I'm not going to use it because I was a lazy boy. Once I knew how to find the area of a rectangle, I could do everything. Triangles were half of rectangles. I just used my brain. There is a rule for trapeziums. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a line down here. And I got a triangle and a rectangle. The total area there we go. Total area is the triangle plus the rectangle. That's how I think. I'm pretty slow, haven't got a big brain. I do things simply. Next. Oh, did they say these were centimetres? Better put centimetres on. Now, the triangle, this is the height of the triangle. And the height of that is the same as the 9. So it's 9 centimetres. So I'm going to do the triangle first. And I draw a little picture. The reason I draw a picture, I'm a maths teacher. I'm a mathematician. I don't write words. They take too long. That's for people with no life.
Oh, well, that's very fair.
Hey, mathematicians, we do things fast. We write shortcuts. We're too busy partying and surfing to write stuff. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height, which you're supposed to have learned. Sebastian, shush. And I look at this triangle over here, and it's 1/2 of the base. Holy moly, what is the base? I don't know. That's 12, that's 8. The base is 12 minus 8. The base is 4. Kaylee, you need to be watching, not just listening. So 1/2 of 4 times 9, because the height is 9. And how you do this is up to you. 4 times 9 is 36. 1/2 of that is 18. I'm lazy. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. I'm clever. 1/2 of 9 is 4.5. 4 times 4.5 is 18. How do I know that? Because 2 times 9 was 18. So it's 18 centimetres squared. And that's that bit. Now I'm going to do the rectangle. Easy bit. Area of the rectangle is multiply the sides. I am not multiplying the sides. Multiplying the sides is a fast way of counting the squares inside. There are 8 squares across, and it goes down 9. If I was to count up to 8 9 times, it would be the same as doing 8 times 9 is, someone told me it was 72 centimetres squared. And total area, add them together. Triangle plus rectangle equals lots. 72 plus 18 is 90 centimetres squared.
Can't see it, the camera's not down on it.
Now I've done that one for you. You can do question 3 now. Copy the diagram, make the triangle, figure it out.